What's up guys, welcome to the channel, and in today's video we are going to talk about file basics, how we can read files in Python. And there are numerous types of files, for example text files, CSV files. And in these files, if you have data that is very important, or else you want to utilize the data in order to run a program, then you can take data from that file and you can read it in the Python program, or you can use that data by using these file basics. So don't take this video for light, because in this video I'm going to tell you in which modes we can open the files in Python. So I'm going to make a new file, and I've named this file as file.io basics, and after that I'll close the other tabs. And guys, if you haven't accessed my Python for Absolute Beginners playlist, the link is in the description. So I'll write a heading here, file io basic, and I'll write a multi-line comment. After that I will write uh, types of modes, or else modes, yeah, I'll write modes. And after that, the first mode that we have in file io basics is the read mode, that is denoted by R. Now what is this read mode and why does it come in use? The read mode is used to open a file for reading. So in Python, for example, you have a CSV file or a TXT file, and you want to look into the data of that file, that what is the data of that file, and how can I use it. So we can open the file in the read mode, and after that we can display it in our console right here. So in that manner we can read all of the data that is in the file. So the read mode, that is R, is used for to open a file for reading. After that we have another mode, that is the write mode, and that is denoted by W. So in this mode we can write in the file. You cannot add a content while you when you write in the file, but if you want to write the file from the starting, and we'll talk about it in the next video, but if you want to write in the file, for example some new content, then you can use W, that is the write mode in file io basics, and with that you can write in the file that you have selected. And after that we have an X mode, and in this mode you can actually create the file. For example, if you want to create a file, for example trial.txt, and you want to create the file in your directory, and the X mode right here, it checks that if the trial.txt is present in YouTube tutorials, I won't make the file, but if it does not exist, I will create the file. So that is what the X mode does. It actually creates a file if it does not exist. After this we have got RWX, and then we have got append, that is A. Now append in English basically means to add, right? So that's what append means, and that's what the mode actually means as well, where you can append some content to the file. Write is for writing in the file from the start, and that you will understand in the next video. But write is to write in the file from the start, but append is to append, that is add the content to the bottom of the file. So it does not start writing the file from the beginning. You'll get to know about this when we code it. So I'll write it adds more content to the file. After that we have other three modes, that is the text mode, and in this mode we can open the file in the text mode. So for example, we have file with extension txt, and we want to read the file in that mode itself, so we can use this t mode right here in order to read that file in text mode. After that we have another file mode, and that is the B mode, that is binary mode. And in this we have talked about binary modes in Python. And basically binary files are something that have a stream of 0 and 1s. So if you want to read the file, you can use this mode right here, this file mode, that is the B mode. So we can open the file in binary mode. And after that we have plus mode, that is a mode that we can use to read and write the files. So if you have any content in the file, you can read the file using this plus mode as well, and also that you can write in the file using this mode. So this is really flexible mode as well, where you can do two tasks in one. And these are basically the modes in which we can open our file and use our files in. So this video was about file basics. If you have a paper in your hand, and if you want to write it, you can write it as well. And guys, from now on I am going to add the source code in the comment section. So in the video that I am making, I will add the source code in the comment section below. So if you guys want the source code, and if you don't want to write the code that I'm specifying in the video and just take the code and run it, so you can take that from the comment section below. And after that I'm going to give you a quiz, a small quiz, and I will tell you the answer of the quiz in the next video as well. So the quiz is that, how can we read doc strings of a function? How can we read a doc string of a function? So for example, if I have a function named func, how can I read the doc string of func? Right? If I want to read the doc string of func, what should I apply to the function and how do I print it? So just write that one line code in the comment section below, and I'll tell you the answer of this quiz in the next video as well. And this was all for today's video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't take this video lightly, because these are the modes that will form the basics of our file IO. And thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.